Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to replace images JPG format, PNG format using plugin in WordPress without changing images path. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in media library and then you see images. Now click on it. Now you see file name and then you see file type image JPEG format. So we are going to replace image without change image path. Now you see upload 202205. Now close. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write enable media replace. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see media and then you see library. So click on it. So we are in media library now and then you see list. So click on it and then you see images name and path. So when we hover on it and then you see replace media. So click on it. So we are going to replace image without changing image path. Now you see current and new. So click here to upload. Now click on it. So we select this image, open. So this is our image, new. And then you see replacement option, just replace the file. Use the new file name, update all link. So select just replace the file. And then you see another option. So we are not change the file image path. Now you see keep the date. If you want you can set custom date. So it's up to you. And then click on upload. Your image has been replaced. So this is our current image. Now go to library again. So click on it. Now you see image replace. So you can replace JPG format, JPEG format, PNG format, any image format using this plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.